Good morning, afternoon, evening, or night, whenever you're watching this. Today we're going to be looking at the bass clef. There's the bass clef and its symbol, and it has 5 lines and 4 spaces. We're going to start off with this note that kind of looks like C on the treble clef, but they're not the same because we're looking at a different clef. This is E or Mi, and then we have F or Fa, G or Sol, A or La, B or C, C or Do, D or Re, E or Mi. And like I had mentioned before, just because the letter repeats again, it doesn't mean it's the same note because they're on different spots in the music staff. F or Fa, G or Sol, then A or La. And just like I said before, if they just repeat, they're not the same note because they're on different spots in the music staff, because they only go through A through G, and so they just start repeating again. And I color coded these, so the ones in blue are in spaces and the ones in black are on the lines. And this E over here, it didn't quite make it on the music staff, so it just kind of has its own line right there to represent still on the line. There's also a trick I know, since this is the bass clef and it's usually represented by an F. If you go through this line between the 2 dots, this line right here, it will show you F. So there we are. F. Oh well. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there, and yeah, thanks.